VWAP, volume weighted average price, is an incredibly versatile tool. It gives us a weighted average of price based on volume and is often used as dynamic support or resistance. But here's the thing, most traders focus solely on the VWAP line itself and ignore its deviation bands. These bands, calculated as standard deviations of price from the VWAP, can reveal critical insights into the rhythm or pulse of a trend. When price moves in relation to these bands, it reflects not just the direction of the trend, but also its strength, momentum, and the balance of power between buyers and sellers. And here's where it gets even better. When paired with Wyckoff's principles, VWAP helps us identify signs of strength or signs of weakness. Wyckoff explained that these signs often manifest in the form of widening price spreads, increased volatility, and shallow retracements. With VWAP, we can visually confirm these changes in behavior. A strong trend often sees price bouncing off the deviation bands, signaling that demand is overpowering supply, or vice versa. Conversely, weak trends will see price struggle to hold the bands, reflecting a lack of conviction. So, why does this matter? Because understanding the trend pulse gives us insight into the behavior of the big players, the liquidity takers, and the aggressiveness of the orders driving the trend. For example, in a strong trend, retracements tend to be shallow, as liquidity takers don't want to risk missing the move. Passive orders have less time to fill, forcing participants to become more aggressive. This same logic applies to us as traders. If we wait too long for a perfect pullback, like a Fibonacci retracement, the trend may be long gone. By understanding the rhythm of the market through VWAP and its bands, we can spot opportunities earlier, entering during the sign of strength or sign of weakness phases after an accumulation or distribution. For instance, if price consistently bounces off the upper or lower deviation bands, it suggests strong conviction from liquidity takers. On the other hand, if price starts to struggle around the midline of the VWAP, it could signal a loss of momentum or a potential reversal. This metric ties directly into the next one, imbalance. When we see stacked imbalances, it's another way of identifying signs of strength and signs of weakness. Why? Because these imbalances represent aggressive participants stepping in to overpower the other side. So, understanding the trend pulse is not just about spotting the trend. It's about getting into sync with the market's flow, recognizing the aggressive nature of liquidity takers, and positioning ourselves to capitalize on their moves. Now, let's move on to the sixth metric, imbalance, where we'll take a closer look at how to spot aggressive participants driving the market.